Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life and in your studies also. So tomorrow is day 3 of this mock test challenge which I have started for RRB PO prelims, and this to-do list is for RRB PO prelims and mains and SBI clerk mains. And if you are a beginner and if you are watching this video for first time, then I am uploading a daily schedule for beginners also, and it is uploaded daily at 4 am. Now we will start the video. And one more thing is that please forgive me as today I could not give this RRB PO prelims mock test because I was busy in the mains targets, so I could not get time, but I will surely attempt it tomorrow. So for today the prelims target is same, which is RRB PO prelims mock test, and this mock test is from textbook, and this is the free mock test. Okay, you can go and attempt this mock test if you have not attempted it till now. And if you are planning to buy textbook subscription, mock test and textbook yearly pass, then you can surely go with it, because in textbook the questions are same as exam level and the yearly pass is highly affordable. And in one yearly pass subscription you get the daily practice questions for maths, reasoning and English, and it is quite beneficial. So I will give you the link in description, and by using my code you will get some discount also. Then there is miscellaneous reasoning solve, and for this you can use the mains mock test. After that there is mains arithmetic questions. Okay, for this also you can do the mains mock test, as in the mains mock test you will find mixed arithmetic questions. Then there are 5 mains level DIs. Then there is read the editorial and daily current affairs plus previous current affairs revision. And for current affairs I am using affairs cloud only, as affairs cloud covers all the current affairs, so you need not to go anywhere if you follow affairs cloud's current affairs. And if you have not bought the affairs cloud subscription till now, then I suggest you to go for it, because in the subscription you get the quizzes along with the current affairs, and if you attempt the quizzes after reading the current affairs, then there is high possibility that you will retain the current affairs for a very long time. So I will give you the link of this current affairs course in description, and by using my code you will get extra 10% discount also in affairs cloud. Then there are mains level puzzles from the mock test and banking awareness, and for banking awareness I am following Adda PDF. And one more thing is that if you are unable to find this PDF, then you can go for any other PDF also, because we only have to clear our basics and some basic terms only. So you need not to go for that PDF only. You can search any PDF, any basic PDF, and you can just clear your basics from that PDF. So that's all for this tomorrow's mock test challenge. I hope you can complete it in time, and that's all. Thank you and have a nice day, and all the best for your upcoming examinations.